Hello everyone, welcome to admission updates. In this video, we will see the exam pattern of JEE Main 2022. So let us start. First one is the mode of the examination. There will be paper 1, paper 2 and then paper 2B. Paper 1 is BTech, paper 2A is BArch and paper 2B is BPlanning. So paper 1 BTech will be conducted in CBT mode. Then paper 2A, that is BR question paper, will be in two modes. In this question paper, part 1 and part 2 will be conducted in online mode, whereas the part 3, that is drawing test, will be conducted in offline mode. And then in 2B, that is B planning, mathematics test and planning based part 3, it will be conducted in CBT mode. Now let us look at the exam scheme of BTech. So in BTech question paper, there will be three sections: mathematics, physics and chemistry. There will be two sections, section A and section B. In section A, each sections will contain 20 questions each, and in section B, each section will contain 10 questions each. So by combining this, there will be 90 questions, and the total marks of the question paper is 300. Now here are some main points, like uh, the section A contain multiple choice questions, and then section B contains numerical value type questions. Out of 10 questions in section B, candidates are required to attempt only 5 questions, and there will be negative marking in both section A and section B. Now let us see the exam duration. Exam duration of B question paper 3 hours for non-PWD candidates, whereas for PWD candidates it is 4 hours. Now let us move on to the next point. This is the marking scheme of BTech examination. So for the MCQ type questions, each correct answer will award 4 marks. Then for each incorrect answer, minus 1 mark. That is 1 mark will be deducted. Then for numerical value type questions, each correct answer will uh, attract 4 marks. Then each incorrect answer will lead to the deduction of 1 mark. Then there will be no marks for unanswered type question, and then mark for review. Now let us see the details exam pattern of BR, that is 2A. So here there will be three parts: part 1, part 2 and part 3. In part 1, that is mathematics, there will be two sections, section A, section B. Then part 2 is aptitude test, wherein 50 questions will be asked, and in drawing test only two questions will be asked of 100 marks. So with this, the total number of questions in B arc is 82 and the maximum marks is 400. Here again there will be negative marking for both section A, section B, that is in part 1, and uh, 20 questions will be MCQs, that is section A shall contain MCQ type question and section B shall contain numerical value type questions, and out of 10 question, candidates will be required to answer 5 questions only. Now let us see the marking scheme of BR. Here again, the for MCQ type questions, 4 marks will be awarded for each correct answer, minus 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Then for numerical value type, the marking scheme is same. 4 marks will be awarded for each correct answer, 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. And then for part 3, that is drawing test, 2 questions are to be evaluated out of 100 marks. Now let us see 2B, exam pattern of 2B, that is B planning. Here again there will be three parts: mathematics, aptitude test, planning. Again mathematics will contain two sections. Section A will be of MCQ, and section B will contain the questions, numerical value type questions. And again there will be negative marking for both the sections, and out of 10 questions in section B, candidates are required to attempt only 5 questions. Here in aptitude test there will be 50 questions, and in B planning section, that is part 3, there will be 25 questions. So with this, the total number of questions will be 105, and the maximum marks of the exam is 400. Now let us look at the marking scheme. For MCQ type question, 4 mark will be awarded and 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Again for numerical value type question, 4 mark will be awarded and 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Now let us look at the exam duration of paper 2A and 2B. So here paper 2A candidates who will appear in BArch examination only will be allotted 3 hours to complete the exam. This is for non-PWD candidate, and for PWD candidate it will be 4 hours. Candidates who will appear in paper 2B, that is BPlanning, they will be allotted 3 hours. This is again for non-PWD candidate, and for PWD candidates it is 4 hours, and candidates who will appear in both 2A and 2B, 3 or 30 minutes will be allotted to non-PWD candidate, and 4 or 10 minutes will be awarded to PWD candidates. Now last one is the medium of the question paper and their reason. So first one is English language. The medium of the question paper will be English for at all the examination center. Then English and Hindi, all examination centers in India. Then English and Assamese, it is examination centers in Assam. The examination center that will fall in Assam, the medium of question paper at those centers will be in English and Assamese, then English and in Bengali. The region is West Bengal, Tripura, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Then Gujarati, it is Gujarat, Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Then Kannada, centers that will fall in Karnataka will have the medium of question paper as English and Kannada, then English and Malayalam for all the examination centers that will fall in Kerala and Lakshadweep, then English and Marathi for all the examination centers that will fall in Maharashtra, English and Odia for all the examination centers that will uh, fall in Odisha, then English and Punjabi for all the examination centers that will be in Punjab, Chandigarh, then in Delhi, New Delhi, including Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gurugram, Meerut, Noida, Greater Noida. Then English and Tamil, the examination center that will be in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. English and Telugu examination center in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and last one is English and Urdu, all the examination centers in India. So this was the complete exam pattern of JEE Main 2022. In case you have any query, you can ask your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for the other updates.